Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This time I wanted to share the time we went to Blue Mountain in Ontario, Canada. It was February, which was the peak season for skiing at Blue Mountain. I'm not much of a skier myself, so it was just a small road trip to get away from the city and the busy life. As soon as we arrived, a friendly dog Piper was already there to welcome us. We were surprised by the endless field of view. The view is amazing and quiet. The only sound I can hear is my foot stepping on the freshly fallen snow. The whole experience was like switching to silent mode on the wood itself. Let's go. Wow. In the afternoon, we went to a spot I always come here every winter time. It is a quiet place to relax and be surrounded by the smell of campfire. The next day we had a snowstorm. Our car got stuck in the snow, but thanks to the owner, he was able to drag our small car out of the snow. My favorite part of having a road trip is to see the little house in the middle of the field. The field of the snow made the houses look extra warm and cozy. I wish I could live in a place like this someday. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you next time.